My name's Willie. I live in Paris, France, from the United States of America, and I build motorcycles here in the 12th arrondissement of Paris. This place is an independent motorcycle shop where we build motorcycles, as you can see, and the concept is making everything possible here in-house, from the machining to the engineering to the everything basically, except for the paint on the tanks. I come from always being on two wheels. I used to ride big time BMX, and went from that, and when I got my motorcycle driver's license, I made my own bike. The true passion is building things and be able to make things from scratch with your bare hands. Just fabricating parts in general is just the fun part and the whole concept of the garage. Whether it goes from turning parts in the lathe, milling parts in the mill, or creating a whole new frame or a gas tank. It has to be a well-made part on its own, but it has to fit together with the whole thing looks as good as possible. When it comes to building a bike, if someone comes up to me and says that I would like a bike, I want it like this, I want this, and I want this, and I want this that way, and this way, even for a big amount of money, I would not do it. People have to come here if they want a clutch motorcycle. I have my way of seeing things and how I want them to be done and how I want it to look. I pay attention to what they want, and I make it up in my head, and I do my own thing. I don't want to, if it's to be told I want this way, this that way, I just tell them, fuck off. Well, for a complete build, it takes about minimum 2 months, I'd say. It's a long process because there's a lot of thinking about what to build and how to build it for it to have the finished look that I'd like. The ambition of Clutch is less bikes, but better made. I don't want to make it into a big business with 20 people. Right now it's me and Arnold. The whole concept of the thing is making one bike, and it would not be fair to the person that I made the bike before to make the exact same one for no matter which amount of money. I'm Willie, I'm an American guy living in Paris, France, and here we make motorcycles.